As I drive around town and I witness 22 years of irrigation installation, it's a sense of pride. And I'm very proud of what we've accomplished in that time.
He has built a team of employees who are extremely loyal to him, but I think what the customers see, what the employees see, is he is very hands-on. He never asks anyone to do anything he wouldn't do. What I admire most about working for Jerry and being married to Jerry is he is the hardest working man I know. That kind of work ethic, that kind of commitment to his team and to his employees, that's where his success has come from, hands down.
As we've done installations, it's fun to watch the growth in our team. From the time they put the first hole in the ground to the end of the install. It's a harmony in motion of how they install the system from beginning to end. And in the end, it's a quality system put in by Daily Rain that our clients for the last 22 years have witnessed and appreciate a professional company doing their systems.